So coming to the zoology, the animal kingdom. So let's see the questions from animal kingdom. Which level of organization involves grouping of cells? That is none other than tissue level of organization. Grouping of cells together, we call it as tissue. Which of the following organisms exhibit cellular level of organization? Euspongia, which is true sponge, Spongilla, freshwater sponge, Cycon, Scypha. So all of the above, 4. Which of the following organization are grouping tissues together? Organ level of organization. So 154. An example of organ system organization can be found in which of the following organisms? That is option 4, Platyhelminthes. Tissue level of organization is seen for the first time in Cnidaria, option 4. So in which level of organization do organs work together in a system? Organ system level of organization, option 4. The canal system is characteristically found in. So it is characteristically found in Porifera. Option 1 is correct. The organization in sponges is cellular level of organization. Option 2. Tissues are absent in the body of sponges. Option 1 is correct. Cavity common to all the type of canal system in sponges is spongocoel. Option 2 is correct. Sponges need a continuous current of water flowing through their bodies for respiration and excretion. Respiration, excretion, nutrition. Option 4 is correct. Endoskeleton of sponges is made up of calcareous, siliceous spicules and spongin fibers. Option 4 is correct. So 163 we have to identify the diagram. Option 1, this is Cycon. Option B, Euspongia. Option C, Spongilla. Option 1 is correct. Which of the following is incorrect about Porifera? So incorrect about Porifera is presence of mouth and digestive cavity. They don't have mouth and digestive cavity. All the following are represent in sponges except a digestive tract. Digestive tract is absent in sponges. In case of poriferans, spongocoel is lined by flagellated cells. What we call it as? So we call it as choanocytes. Option 3 is correct. The minute pores in the body wall of the sponge is known as ostia. Option 2 is correct. 168. Correct flow of water current in the sponges is ostia, spongocoel, ossiculum, outside. Option 3 is correct. Which of the following is not true about Porifera? Radial symmetry. They are mostly asymmetrical. Freshwater sponge is commonly the name of Spongilla. Option 3 is correct. Which of the following is not true about the given organism? So, bilateral symmetry is present. This is wrong. In sponges, digestion is intracellular. Option 2 is correct. In metamerism, each segment is called as metamer. Option 2 is correct. Which is present between ectoderm and endoderm in case of diploblastic animals? Mesoglia. Option 4 is correct. Notochord is derived from embryonic mesoderm. Option 2 is correct. All triploblastic animals primarily possess bilateral symmetry. Option 1 is correct. When any place of the section passes through the central axis of the body, divides an organism into two identical halves, it is called radial symmetry. Option 1 is correct. Body cavity is present between body wall and gut wall. In some animals, the body cavity is not lined by mesoderm. Such animals we call it as pseudocoelomates. Option 2 is correct. Skeleton in sponges is endoskeleton. Option 2 is correct. Sponges are bisexual, hermaphrodite. Both 1 and 2 are correct. Option 4. Bilateral symmetry is exhibited by larval echinoderms. Option 2 is correct. Digestive system in sponges is absent. Option 4 is correct. In arthropods, circulatory system is open type. Option 1 is correct. Choanocytes of sponges are otherwise called collar cells. Option 1 is correct. 185. Sponges are lower invertebrates. Option 3 is correct. Porifera is a phylum. So the category will be the phylum. The term used to describe animals where the cell is arranged in two embryonic germ layers, an external ectoderm and internal endoderm. Diploblastic, option 1 is correct. Which statement accurately describes the coelomates? They possess a body cavity lined by ectoderm. No. So the coelomates will be, the body cavity in coelomates is lined by mesoderm. Option 4 is correct. So why is the classification is important to study the animals? To observe differences in structure and forms, to identify the organisms easily, to assign a systemic position to newly described species, all the above. So right, the correct answer is all the above. Development in sponges is indirect and involves larva. Both 2 and 3 are correct. Option 4 is correct. Notochord is, it is derived from embryonic mesoderm. Correct. It is present ventral side. No, it is present on the dorsal side. So only option 1 is correct. 1. Pseudocoelom is seen in Asclepias. Option 4 is correct. In bilateral symmetry, an organism can be divided into two equal halves, only one plane passing through the center. Option 1 is correct. Regarding bilateral symmetry is the body plan where the body of animals can be divided into two equal halves, two identical halves to any plane. No, to only one plane. Option 1 is, statement 1 is wrong. While ctenophores and adult echinoderms have bilateral symmetry. Wrong. Both the statements are wrong. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are incorrect. Option 3 is correct. Closed circulatory system is seen in chordates. Option 2 is correct. Sorry, both 1 and 2 are correct. Chordates and annelids. Closed circulatory system is present in these two phyla. So coming to the pictures, which type of coelom is present in the given figure? This is eucoelomate. Option 3 is correct. Which type of symmetry is shown in the figure? Bilateral symmetry. So option 2 is correct. So what is the A is represented as? The A is represented as mesoglia. So what is ABC is represented as? Ectoderm, endoderm, mesoderm. Option 1 is correct. Which type of coelom is shown in this picture? Pseudocoelom. Option 2 is correct. Right? So these are the questions regarding zoology part. So we'll see you in the next coming videos. Thank you very much.